Ayushmann Khurrana is always good to give a charming performance, even though he is good at serious character as well. Since performing as the lead role in Shoji Circus Vicky Donor, Ayushmann Khurrana's journey has been a ladder to success.
मोहन
मोहन
फुटबॉल
फुटबॉल मोहन बगान
सर वो बंदा बड़ी सही फुटबॉल खेलता है।
बंदा It's a team. It's a football team.
उसने टीम बना ली।
You are watching iOS. Here I have sorted out the best 10 Ayushmann Khurrana performances and ranked them. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content like this before you start watching this video. Number 10. चिराग दुबे बरेली की बर्फी.
देखो भैया बड़ी मुद्दत बाद अच्छे वाला इसको है।
Bareli Ki Barfi, including a good storyline, was powered by the trio performance from Ayushmann Khurrana, Kriti Sanon, and Rajkumar Rao.
भैया हम कह रहे हैं हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा थे।
In the film, the character of Kriti Sanon is on her way to find the author of the magazine called Bareli Ki Barfi because she found a lot of similarities with the female protagonist of the book with herself. Chirag, being the real author of the book, never revealed that because he was in love with her and worried she might go away.
सिर्फ तुम ही जानते हो उन्हें, एक बार मिलवा दो ना हमें।
कहीं वो तुम्हें पसंद ना आया तो?
नहीं आया तो नहीं आया।
अगर बहुत तेज ज्यादा पसंद आ गया।
Even though the other performance in the film had kind of overshadowed Khurrana, but the performance was appreciable above all. Number 9. Nakul Kaushik Badhaiyo. Badhaiyo is a film about a couple who has a son about 25 years old gets pregnant.
वो मम्मी प्रेग्नेंट है मेरी।
The son Nakul, played with complete accuracy, is heavily embraced and can get out of the home and show his face. Ayushmann Khurrana did a great job here. Even if this one too had all the components to overshadow him, but his role was much good and he counted every minute of it and gave a keenly entertaining performance.
आपका कितना हुआ?
नहीं वो
नकुल चल बेटा।
हाँ
Number 8. Banki Rastogi Gulabo Sitabo. In the latest film starring Ayushmann Khurrana, Gulabo Sitabo, even though failed at many points for giving any punches, the performers were still up to the mark.
किराया बढ़ाते नहीं हो, मकान खाली करते नहीं हो, घोंगा बन के बैठे हो गले में हमारे।
चिल्लाओ मत, अटैक आ जाएगा। फत्तू भी से पहले टपक गए ना, क्या होगा हवेली का बताओ।
24 घंटा दे रहे हैं हम तुमको बस। हाँ
24 घंटा क्या 24 साल दे दो, नहीं कराएंगे हम। मरम्मत काहे नहीं कराई इस खंडर की तुमने।
Banki Rastogi was a tenant of an old bungalow handled by Mirza Nawab, who was though not the real owner of the bungalow but was dying to be. It was though a typical Ayushmann Khurrana performance but was a little more effortful than his other ordinary roles. The dialogue delivery was exquisite and there was a lot of body act as well, done smoothly and sharply by him.
चरस बो दिए वहाँ मिर्जा ने।
मतलब
वकील बुला लिया है, केस ठोक दिया हम पे। गई हवेली हाथ से।
अरे हवेली कहीं नहीं जा रही है। और किस बुनियाद पे करेगा केस? हम है ना, दूर समझोगा।
दूर तो हम हैं, आपको पिछवाड़े में बैठा लखनऊ दर्शन करा रहे हैं।
Number 7. Balmukund Shukla Bala. Playing a character frustrated over hair loss, this time Khurrana ruled the show. This was purely a story of premature hair loss that centered all on Ayushmann Khurrana's performance and it would ruin other than that.
बाला, नाम तो सुना होगा।
नहीं सुना।
तो फिर आज एक जिंदगी और जी लो, एक सपना और देख लो, एक नाम और जान लो, क्या पता कल हो ना हो।
The extreme difficulties, irritation, disturbance, everything he portrayed in his own light and reflected it as well as anyone could.
जॉब में डिमोट हो जाते हैं, मिमिक्री में फ्लॉप हो जाते हैं, बचपन की गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ के चले जाती है, सुंदर लड़की से बात करते फटती है हमारी, लगता है धंसेगी हम पे देख के।
Bala made him got a nomination for Filmfare 2020, but this role was more than that. It was in one way perfect. Number 6. Mudit Sharma, Shubhmangal Savdan. After being a depressed, heartbroken man, getting embraced for his pregnant mother, being frustrated for many different reasons, now it comes to erectile dysfunction.
मेरी और इनकी बेटी की ना शादी होने वाली है परसों। लव कम अरेंज कम लव, समझे?
नहीं।
एक्चुअली ना मेरी बिलोंगिंग ना दिल्ली एनसीआर की है।
अच्छा अब समझ गया मैं। अरेंज लव अरेंज समझ गया।
Shubhmangal Savdan was a film telling the story of Mudit who was about to get married, got through performance anxiety just before having sex with his fiancée.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है मुझे।
तो फिर क्या हुआ है मुद्दत?
कुछ नहीं, जेंट्स प्रॉब्लम है।
पर क्या? बताओ तो सही।
He is obviously frustrated and have no idea what to do to prevent it. He even wants to turn down the marriage, but above all, this is not yelling or crying, but Ayushmann Khurrana carried frustration in a more realistic way in this film, which is quite praisable.
जैसे मेरे इनकी बेटी को छुआ ना,
शादी से पहले तुमने उसको छुआ कैसे?
अरे यार उसने भी मुझे
छुआ, ये देखो निशान। वन साइडेड नहीं है हमारा प्यार यार। 500 रुपए का करारा नोट दिया था मम्मी ने रोके पे।
मुझे नहीं दिया था, सुगंधा की माँ को दिया था।
डंगरों के डॉक्टर के पास लेके आओगे मुझे?
Number 5. Abhimanyu Rai, Meri Pyari Bindu. Pretty much in every role, Khurana is frustrated about something, but few times when he's not, it turns out like this.
हमें भी एक और बोलो के I'll marry you. बस फिगर थोड़ा improve कर ले, क्या हाल बना रखा है?
The performance of Ayushmann Khurrana in Meri Pyari Bindu was genuine and out of his audacity. He played a writer on his writing blog, getting back to writing with a carefree girl she met one day and fell in love.
बिंदु शंकर नारायणन, वो भी अननोन नंबर से।
As charming as the love was, but it never had any end or destination. Besides Khurrana, Parinit Chopra was a genius in her role as well.
अभिमन्यु बुबला रॉय, आमी तो माँ के भालोबाशी।
Number 4. Prem Prakash Tiwari, Dum Laga Ke Haisha. Back in 2015, Bollywood was having the best year of his life, and Dum Laga Ke Haisha was one of its best babies. The story was of Prem and his overweight wife Sandhya. They newly got married, even though Prem didn't want it. Usually their married life was a disaster, and Prem, from being a little depressed to more depressed, lost himself in all.
इसको यहाँ पर लाने की चाल भी मेरी, प्रतियोगिता में भाग भी दिलाएगी, दुकान भी बचाएगी, कमा के भी लाएगी, और मैं सिर्फ गाली खाऊंगा। मैं ही खत्म हो जाता हूँ बस।
पागल हो गया क्या तू? क्या कर रहा है?
पेंट छूट जाएगा सबका मुझसे। मर जाएगा तेरा लड्डू मन में। अरे लौंडिया, इसको तुम लोग चप्पू करो ना, भगत काट रही है।
The performance was as real as it could be. Prem was a character that could be related to so many people. His emotions, frustrations, immature behaviors, everything was done perfectly by Khurrana.
एक रात के लिए तुझे मेरी जगह सोना पड़ गया ना बिस्तर में संध्या के साथ, तब तुझे पता लगेगा नरक किसे कहते हैं।
Number 3. Ayan Ranjan, Article 15. Ayan Ranjan in Article 15 was another of Ayushmann Khurrana's out of the regular performance. He played a policeman in this film on his way to find the criminals for caste-based violence in a rural area of India.
सर ये 3 लड़कियां अपनी दिहाड़ी में सिर्फ 3 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा मांग रही थी। 3 रुपए। जो मिनरल वाटर आप पी रहे हैं उसके 2 या 3 घूंट के बराबर। बस इतना ही एक्स्ट्रा मांग रही थी। उनकी इस गलती की वजह से उनका रेप हो गया सर।
This performance was never too much as it could be. As much as it was handled smoothly by Anubhav Sinha, it was well structured by the actor as well. In this new type one-man army genre, Ayushmann Khurrana built a new style of policeman performance in Bollywood, sharply honest and unmerciful.
तू लड़कियां मर गई हैं, गायब है, किसी को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा। जो लोग यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं उनको लग रहा है किसी और देश में हो रहा है।
Number 2. Vicky Arora, Vicky Donor. Vicky Donor was his first film and it still remains one of the top 3 performances. Even though there were 2 national award winning performances beside him, but Ayushmann Khurrana still brightened in his light.
सर मैंने नहीं करनी सर सोशल सर्विस। ओके चलो मैं मान जाता हूँ आपकी बात। क्या गारंटी है सर कि बच्चा हो जाएगा, बताओ। हाँ
नहीं, कोई गारंटी नहीं, नो गारंटी।
The character here was asked to donate his sperm and since he suffers from embarrassment, but though finally he agrees after all for the huge amount of sum. Under a touch of pure comedy penned by Juhi Chaturvedi, Vicky Donor handled an issue with all the good respect and in an amazing way, and Ayushmann Khurrana did a fine job as a debutant in the film.
ओए तुसी बोंगो।
Number 1. Akash Andhadhun. His only national award winning performance remains the best performance in his life so far. He did all the kinds of characterization possible in the film and every moment his face was believable to the core. Ayushmann Khurrana was best in this role than ever in his life.
मिलकर प्रमोशन का खून किया, बॉडी को पैक कर दिया बैग के अंदर, अंगूठी निकली तोड़ दिया टुक करके। यार मैं देख सकता हूँ, आंखें देखो मेरी दिखती है मुझे सबको। सीन चल रहा है, इन दोनों को बिल्कुल विश्वास करें। क्या बकवास कर रहा है?
Andhadhun was a film about a blind pianist who comes across a murder. It's better not to reveal too much of the story even though there might not be many people who haven't seen this film. But after all, with the film having turns and anxiety every moment, Ayushmann Khurrana was a gem of this film.
तूने मर्डर देखा?
मैं कैसे देख सकता हूँ?
Hey there, that was all. Think I missed a performance? Comment down below and check out the channel for other contents. Besides, I am working on my most disturbing film list, so you will have a lot of this better as it would go by. So hook onto the channel and take care.